In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a couple of really handy products by the company called TELESIN. TELESIN maybe is how you're going to say that. So I have been using them off and on for about 3 months now, and they are absolutely amazing. I highly recommend these for anyone that has a GoPro, whether it's a 9, 10, 11, or even the 12 now. And let's just kind of let me go over and show you what you get here. This one's the multi-function battery case, and it actually holds up to 3 batteries. And this one is the U-shape neck holder mount. I love this thing. Not only, look how it bends like this, it's got this bendy material, and this is removable right here, by the way. Just so y'all know, you can put your GoPro into that, you screw it in, and it that's a magnet. Is that not awesome? Let me show you some of the other stuff that comes in the box here. Okay, first off, going over the multifunctional like little battery case here. This one comes with these Stamina 11 batteries. These are just as good, if not better, than the GoPro battery that I have right here. I have been using these off and on, and this one does seem to hold a little longer power, and this is good for 11, 10, and 9, and now even the 12. These are like the, you know, the extreme batteries, which is this one right here. I got 2 of them that came with that. It goes down inside the case. You can see right there. You charge it right here with USB-C, and you could charge up to 3 at a time, and they give you a pretty long load of USB-C cable there. When you put them in there, you close the door, you open the door, and check it out. It tells you how much battery power you have. You can see all 3 of these are fully charged. Very nice and compact. Highly recommend this for anybody that has a GoPro, that uses a GoPro. And you can just, this is some basic kind of like cover instructions on there. It shows you the lights. The 1 is 30% power, 2 is 50, 3 is 75, and 4 is 100. So you can see I have 100% on every one of those. Over here is the U-shaped neck mount. You're gonna get this mount right here that I was showing you, and then you get this little like GoPro mount right here that's just a basic little screw-in mount that gives you a little additional kind of length on it. Very handy that you have that right there. A little set of instructions. The user guide shows you how to use the button. It slides down in there, and then how to like tighten it down and all that. You can rotate it around. You can see how that drops in there. Let me go ahead and put a GoPro in it and show you what it looks like. Okay, I have my backup. This is the GoPro 8 right here, and check this out. You see how you fold the legs up like that? You're gonna fold the legs up, unscrew this, and just drop it down in there like that. Screw in the little, I love that they give you a T-handle on that too. And you could see this is a magnetic locking. Is that not awesome? Look how it just kind of like locks into place. You see the dots, you just line the dots up, and then you're gonna wear this as a necklace. And to take it off, you're gonna hold this button down right here and just pull up on this thing, and to put it back on, it locks back into place. And then to push the button, push that button right there like that. Look how that operates. And this is it's a very cushiony, and you can bend it to whatever shape. So technically it could even be like a little tripod mount if you wanted it to. If you wanted to like wrap it around something, it works well for that. Highly recommend this, everybody. The TELESIN products are really good quality, absolutely amazing. I've been using them off and on, like I said, for about 3 months now, and I use this one when I'm recording the videos like this. Right now I'm using a handheld, but right here this works great. I absolutely really recommend this neck mount because if you're working on something, say I'm working on a tire or something like that, it gives both my hands. See, I only have one hand right now. The other one has to hold on to the stick, so I get this recording. And then everybody needs backup batteries because these things go through the batteries really quick. And you know what? You get two spare, you know, Enduro batteries with this purchase. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the multi-function battery case and the U-shaped neck holder mount by TELESIN. See you guys in the next video. Woo!